Once there was tempestuous Junk Bay, a physical and metaphorical obstacle to connecting people and places. Then there was the Cross Bay Link, a new landmark with a 1.8-kilometer dual two-lane carriageway connecting Tseung, Kwan, Hong Kong's fast-growing new town. Cross Bay Link effectively addressed long-standing traffic congestion issues. The project's marine viaduct features 12 spans, 9 concrete box girders, and 3 steel decks, including the central span's double arch, Hong Kong's longest arch bridge. Straddling the main navigation channel of Junk Bay, the design theme is Eternity Arch, signifying vitality. Cross Bay Link, in conjunction with an adjoining new tunnel, reduces peak morning commutes by 20 minutes and offers its very first multi-purpose marine viaduct in Hong Kong, featuring footpath, cycle track, and carriageway. The site presented challenges: exposure to super typhoons, limited land access, the need to minimize impacts on marine traffic, and hydraulic regime during construction and in service. The project team employed a climate-resilient design with off-site prefabrication, float-over method for steel arch erection, and whole-span lifting for concrete viaduct construction. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize the Cross Bay Link as a 2024 OCEA Honor Award.